Welcome to our guide on obtaining an Australian visa for your next business trip. Today, we'll walk you through the essential steps to ensure a smooth application process. The first step is to determine the type of business visa you'll need. Australia offers several types, including the Business Visitor Visa and the subclass 482 Temporary Skill Shortage Visa. Make sure you select the right one for your purpose. Next, gather all the necessary documentation. This often includes your passport, a recent photograph, financial statements, and an invitation letter from an Australian business or organization. Now, it's time to complete the online visa application form. Make sure to fill out every section accurately to avoid delays in processing. Once your application is filled out, you'll need to pay the visa application fee. Payment is typically made online using a credit or debit card. After submission, be prepared to submit additional information if requested by the Australian Department of Home Affairs. This could include further documentation or clarifications. Now, all you can do is await processing and approval. The processing time can vary depending on the visa type, so check the official website for updates. While waiting, start preparing for your business trip. Book your flights, accommodation, and make an itinerary for your meetings and engagements. It's crucial to understand your visa conditions and compliance once your visa is approved. Ensure you adhere to all regulations to avoid any complications during your stay. In conclusion, following these steps will help you secure your Australian business visa efficiently. Remember to keep copies of all your documents and stay informed about local business etiquette. Good luck with your business visit.